To create grids, we're going to mouse up into the ribbon and find the tool for grids. And we're going to click on that. And we're going to place the first grid. You can either start horizontally or vertically, it does not matter. And we're going to place the grids to where they mark major features of the building, such as walls. So to create the grid, I'm going to start over here to the right, click, and then drag out to the left. Okay, again, click on the right, drag out to the left. Everything is nice and even. And just keep going like that. And we will change the information inside the circles. 1, 2, and 3. And as we continue going with our grids, you can see that they adopt the last numbers and the last number and format that I typed in. So now we got 5, and then 6, and then we will have a 7th down at the bottom. For the top, we're going to do letters. I'm going to start down at the bottom, about equidistance away from the building as I did the other grids. Stretch it up to equidistance of the other grids as well. And I'm going to zoom in because this is really not number 8. This is actually going to be number A, or letter A. I moved it. It's okay. And then I can continue placing grids, and it will adopt. Okay, and again, I'm marking all the primary walls and exterior walls, interior walls, and building features with these grids. Okay, you can sort of see how that works as I'm going along here. And then our question for verification wants to know what the distance between A and G grids are. So as soon as I get G placed, or that's F, sorry. Actually, it says A and G, and I think the numbering on that one, I didn't do the numbering or the lettering quite right. So on the on your test, this one will say G. It's not supposed to, but it will say G. And we're going to measure from this grid line to this grid line. And we get 79 feet 2 1/4 inches. And that will be